All right, the concern, at least in the short term, overnight into towards daybreak tomorrow for some patchy areas of black ice. I don't think it's very widespread, but the risk is there during the overnight. And we'll talk about that in just a second. Take a peek outside. Now, in Lincoln, the temperature has been dropping, was 37, now 36. I know Western Coventry's at 33, North Scituate at 33, Chepachet's around 34, Lincoln at 36. Now, the pavement has been drying out thanks to a gusty breeze, but some, secondary rural roads still have a little bit of residual moisture on them, so some slick spots overnight into early tomorrow morning. Be mindful of that. You're going to want to check in with TJ and Melissa with the traffic updates tomorrow morning, see how this all plays out. But especially in the areas where the temperature is cooling off a little quicker, can notice southeastern Mass hasn't quite gotten into the colder air yet. Temps now low to mid 30s, and that'll be the trend overnight. Just the temperatures tumbling down to freezing and just below. So some of that patchy black ice overnight through daybreak. Some of the coldest air of the autumn season on the way for tomorrow. Cold meaning just barely getting to 40, but with very strong wind gusts, feel-like temperatures, wind chills tomorrow in the upper 20s to lower 30s. In fact, better part of the week, right on through the weekend, temperatures running below average. Skies are starting to clear after some of the, obviously the wet weather for today. That area of low pressure, that storm system now pulling up across coastal Maine. But on the back side of it, a gusty northwest wind, which will be with us tomorrow. We may see gusts 30, 40 miles per hour. And when it coincides with the unseasonably cold air in place, it only feels colder with the wind. Lake effect snows across the Great Lakes, and all of this area in blue representing unseasonably cold air, that winter chill that'll be moving in tonight and right on through tomorrow. So let's get in real close, and we'll switch things over to the forecast, take you through the overnight with clearing skies, windy and cold. Pre-dawn, 4 in the morning, 30, 31, 32 degrees, some icy spots. Here we are at about 8 o'clock in the morning, sunshine. So the brightest part of the day would be during the morning. Notice how the clouds fill in, but staying dry during the afternoon. Wouldn't rule out a passing flurry, but it's a mainly dry, windy day and unseasonably cold. High temperatures only upper 30s to low 40s. Skies clear out a bit tomorrow evening, tomorrow night, only to tend towards more clouds on Wednesday, but remaining dry, breezy, and chilly. Again, it's the kind of week where outside of a sprinkle or a flurry that we don't see a lot of precipitation now through at least Saturday. It's going to be mainly dry. You'll see that in the 7-day forecast. Here we are Wednesday evening at 8 o'clock under mainly cloudy skies. Tomorrow morning, starting with sunshine, watch for some icy spots at around daybreak, especially northern suburbs. By 11 a.m., the clouds are starting to fill back in. Excuse me. During the afternoon, mostly cloudy, windy, unseasonably cold. High temperatures only around 40. Wind chills upper 20s to low 30s. Gale warning for that gusty west-northwest wind, 15 to 20, gusting 35, 40 knots. All right, 7-day forecast. It's a chilly week. Very windy for tomorrow, but basically dry. Mostly cloudy, chilly on Wednesday at 47. Rest of the week looking quiet, just colder than average. Next chance for precipitation not till the latter part of Sunday, with temperatures in the upper 40s. It's heavy coats, sweaters, and gloves for tomorrow, but dry. Memorial services and parades should be okay.
All right. I mean, this is kind of unusual.
Yeah, it's like 10, 15 degrees below average, and it's, somewhat short-lived, but it's for the next several days.
We're not ready for it to be the norm yet.
No.
All right, Tony, thanks. No. Coming up next.